Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly Wolf and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. How's it going? What's up? So today I'm going to be picking some greens, cutting some greens, and then we're going to be replacing them with some more. So these guys behind me, I have some green big leaf mustard greens and also some early Mizuna. And I really love growing greens and salad mixes and stuff in general because one, they are quick to grow. They're really awesome. You can obviously plant batches of them all summer, fall, spring long, which is really awesome. And they look great in the garden. Plus they're wonderful to eat. They're amazing. So today we are going to take these guys out. I've been meaning to for the past few days. They've gotten pretty big. And then I am going to be planting a few more things, and I'll basically show you how I go about planting a lot of my greens in beds and all of that stuff. So yeah, that's basically this video. It's exhilarating, I know. You guys must know by now, I love greens. Especially mustard greens and things that are a little bit spicier, and they're amazing. That's all. That's literally it. They're the best. I try to grow things in my garden that, of course, are easy to grow, but also a lot of these plants, for example, these peppers that are right behind me, take a while to grow. And so I'm still trying to learn, sorry as I literally weed here. I'm still trying to learn more of what I can kind of plant together and use better uses of space. You know what I mean? Like those peppers over there, they're growing, but they're still small. And I actually just laced some Swiss chard between them, which will grow up as they're growing and share the space. And hopefully it does well. I really hope it does. But I want to make sure I use this space properly. You know what I mean? I already have such a small garden that there's so much I want to grow, especially because I get a lot of seeds that I don't have room for it all, which is really, really annoying. So I kid you not, I have so many packages of seeds that I know I need to go through, but besides JR, like it's only the two of us eating. I remember last year into the fall, I was giving away a lot of my garden because we couldn't eat it all, which is amazing. Like it's a good problem to have, but yeah, I'm trying to learn. Anyways, let me stand up. Ooh. So we're gonna cut these guys out, and what I'm gonna do afterwards is I'm going to mix the soil up again. I'm gonna fully take these out today. Like, you know, I'm just going to chop these guys as close to the base as possible, and then I'm going to rip them out. There's so much. Ooh, and it smells amazing too. What this does as well, I find, is it really helps kind of deter a lot of bugs in your garden, because obviously I am taking a good chunk of their food away right now. Slugs and stuff love your greens. Whew. So this is really good to kind of reset this area. And then we'll pull it all out, we'll shake the soil, we'll put a little bit more fertilizer in there, which will really help. And it'll be great. Oh my gosh, there's so much! So if you really wanted to, ooh, it's hot, you could let these keep growing, because they will, like they really will. But like I said, if I don't cut some things out now and eat them, I'm gonna be overloaded with food. Plus, I don't know if you can see, I have some pea shoots growing in the back. Like I said, I've been trying to lace things together, and I have a few pea shoots growing that definitely need to make sure they're getting sun. So now that these guys are getting nice and big, they won't let those pea shoots get sun. So I'm making sure that they will now be able to grow well while there's new seedlings in here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, like that is shit. What am I supposed to do with all this? This is so much food. I'm so excited. So I'm sure you can see, let me try to zoom in a bit. You see these little pea shoots right here? Right here. So I actually placed pea shoots into this bed and this bed maybe a week ago so that I could start growing some more peas. And like I said, it's really good to constantly be planting things, constantly be growing things to make sure that you just have a constant supply, right? So this early Mizuna and this green mustard leaf I planted way before this, and so this Mizuna is coming in and this green mustard leaf, as well as kale in that bed. They're getting a little bit more eaten by slugs because it's a much easier area for them to get to, but I'm going to try something in another video that will hopefully deter them. Anyways, I'm going to go empty this into the kitchen and we'll take this out next. All right, so I have a salad bowl now. All right, so as you can see, we have another whole bowl. This is crazy. I'm gonna double check when my dad is coming over to ask him to take some because this is insane. So it's starting to rain a little bit. I'm not sure how I feel about this. But I do need to get these out, so. Alright, looks like I'll finish this video later, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I have to. Seeds. I have seeds out here. Oh my goodness. That's more important. Ah! we got these out of here, and I'm just going to kind of lace in some tomato and vegetable fertilizer and a little bit of bone meal. All right, so I'm just going to All right, so I have some things that I want to get rid of because these packages are already open. We're gonna do more giant red mustard. I'm also gonna do some of this broccoli rapini. I'm sure you guys heard that. I'm gonna leave the kale for now, but I have some more early Mizuna, so we're gonna get rid of this guy too. Maybe if we have spares, more broccoli or rapini, but I think that'll be awesome. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. Basically in the same place too. So I use this little guy. Oh my gosh, I just saw the chipmunk run by. This little guy, and kind of make a little path in the soil. And then we're just gonna lace the seeds in. I think, did I do 5 before? Totally. I think I did. And then right here. This will be awesome. All right, so we have 5 rows. Let's start with the broccoli rapini. Cool. We're just gonna lace it all in here. There we go. It was only like half a packet. Then we're gonna do mustard greens beside it. Oh, I think I can get 2 rows out of this. No problem. We'll do them every other. That'll be fun. Because the color is so different. Okay. So now I'm just gonna gently fill in these ones. This one. This one. Awesome. 2 more. Early Mizuna. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm sure you can. These are still seed packets from last year. Like, I have so much still, it's ridiculous. All right. Ooh, whoopsie. All right, and there's definitely still enough for 1 more row, so we're gonna leave that. Okay. Awesome. Of course. So guys, that is it for today's video. We cut a bunch of greens and we laced, we laced more here in the soil. We sowed more seeds in the soil, which is great. I got rid of 2 more packets of seeds and we will have lots of food coming in. It's starting to rain again, so I'm gonna get going. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am missing my cell phone. I need to find it so I can take thumbnail pics. Yes. Alright guys, peace out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite thing to plant is in the comments down below. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.